Now in this clip, we're going to be installing the Carli Suspension front bump stop drops. These are a critical component for any of the Carli Suspension 3.25 kits. However, this video will also work for those of you putting long arm systems on the previous generations of trucks. This is your bump stop drop. We're going to actually just go ahead and remove this factory bump. Yeah. That'll be good to get out. Okay. Then, this is going to just drill in. You're going to drill a center hole, and then from there, actually you got to tap it in, then drill a center hole, and then you're going to use a self-tapping bolt that's going to hold it in. If you ever do decide to revert back to stock, it's very quick to remove. All right, now that it's seated, we're going to use a 19/64 drill bit, drill that out, set that self-tapper in, and we're going to be good. Now that we got it drilled, we'll go ahead and set it in. Typically, the internet professionals will argue with using an impact to setting in a self-tapper. However, at least to get it started in this hole, it is much easier to just use some kind of power tool and then thread it in by hand. All right, final step. Lubricate the bump just to make this easier. Go ahead and pop it in. I'm probably going to struggle, but it'll eventually go in, and we are complete. And that is a fully installed Carli bump stop drop.